Okay. Alright, so now let me not forget to do the labels as I'm doing this, so that way I don't forget which ones went where. What up, David Corey with the crap? Y'all know to go check out Big Bro. He doing his thing daily over there too. Y'all know David keep it popping. That's why, there's always respect among hustlers. Let's see, the first one was that DG, which for those who actually want to know, that's that double grape. Shouts out to them. Son of Odin Seed Company genetics that we got. Shouts out to the big homie Bear Miller. He sponsors the Grow. He already know what time it is, so big homie always gonna drop me a pack. Shouts out to brother No Fly. He came by. He'll tell you, hey, we them dudes. We out here making shit happen. Shouts out to making shit happen because people get used to seeing you. Then you'll be out here making it do what it do too. That is all the way fucked up. So let me just fix this. DG and keep it moving. Cause I ain't worried about that. There you go. DG. Boom. This one's SPR. Okay, next we got Forbidden Fruit. Shouts out to the big homie. What's the new one? I don't know. But anyways, we'll keep it moving. Shouts out to Melinda Ellie. Y'all know that's a level 2 Buy Me a Coffee member. Go check her out. We'll drop her link in that chat. Appreciate them thumbs up though. Appreciate them thumbs up. But we're just getting these little guys out of their cups and putting them in their final pot. They are autos, so since they are started and running good, we'll get them in a DWC bucket and let them acclimate to that and let them do what they do because they are autos. So we'll keep them in the corner. Shouts out to that auto corner. Yeah, big homie said I'm gonna steal some of your real estate. And I appreciate that. Cause we gonna keep something growing on. Something growing on. Oh yeah, that's got some nice little start to the roots.